Tesla Bot Gen 3 could become the world's most popular household helper for under $10,000 by next year. With an upgraded hand dexterity and new AI learning capabilities, it will smoothly handle tasks like cleaning, carrying items, and assisting the elderly. Elon Musk asserts that Optimus has 4 key factors that make it unbeatable by competitors. Why will Tesla dominate the family robot market in the coming years? Before we begin, please help us reach 4,600 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you great episodes about Tesla Model Q, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. 1. Stability and mobility. Let's begin by comparing the Optimus robot with Figure 02 to explore aspects that were once considered the biggest challenges: stability and walking ability of humanoid robots. Just 6 months after Tesla announced the Optimus project, in August 2021, many experts doubted whether Tesla could overcome the technical barriers that even Boston Dynamics had spent over 15 years overcoming. However, instead of seeing these as insurmountable obstacles, we realized that every challenge is completely feasible in the age of modern AI. When it comes to stability and walking ability, one of the biggest barriers is balance, something traditional algorithms have always tried to address by calculating movement from multiple sensors, adjusting actuators, and processing unexpected situations in real time. That's why early versions of robots like Honda's Asimo or Boston Dynamics' Atlas often had to be tethered with safety ropes during testing to prevent them from falling. But that was before reinforcement learning AI came along and changed the entire game. Previously, robots learned to walk through inverse kinematics algorithms, which required precise calculations of each joint, contact surface, and reaction forces at each moment, referred to as the zero moment point, ZMP. This approach consumed significant computational resources and lacked adaptability in real-world environments. A 2019 MIT report showed that the ZMP model had a delay of up to 200 milliseconds when processing collisions or uneven terrain, leading to instability. Many robotics experts even criticized Tesla for choosing a humanoid design instead of wheels, which are much simpler for maintaining stability and saving energy. However, thanks to modern sensors like the IMU, inertial measurement unit, similar to those in smartphones but with 10 times higher accuracy, combined with AI-powered learning through millions of simulations, achieving stable bipedal movement is no longer difficult. A 2023 study by NVIDIA showed that a robot could achieve reliable walking after just 25 million simulated steps in a virtual environment, equivalent to several weeks of continuous training. The key is that when the simulated environment closely mirrors reality, robots only need a few hours of fine-tuning to operate stably in the real world. The years that followed proved this analysis was accurate. AI not only helped robots learn to walk and stand, but also taught them to run, play sports, dance, and even move quickly across rough terrain. Boston Dynamics' Atlas took more than a decade to learn running and jumping. Meanwhile, Figure 02, just 18 months after development, was already walking naturally at a speed of 1.3 meters per second. In contrast, the early Optimus prototype in 2022 only reached speeds of under 0.5 meters per second and had a stiff gait often likened to a cartoon character dumped. Figure 01 was no better. It could walk, but had difficulty standing still, frequently adjusting its weight between the two legs as if running in place. However, things changed dramatically within just 1 year. The Figure 02 version released at the end of 2023 walked confidently, reflexively responding to being pushed, and even managed to sit down and stand up smoothly, something that was out of reach just the year before. Meanwhile, Tesla hasn't released any new videos of Optimus since early 2024, but Elon Musk confirmed in a live stream that the internal version can now walk around the factory, deliver objects, and use its hands for real tasks. With the same rapid development Tesla demonstrated in the electric vehicle sector, the real-world capabilities of Optimus might have already surpassed what the public has seen. Today we can watch videos of humanoid robots from China, like GR1 from Fourier Intelligence, or Walker X from UB Tech, not only walking, but also running, jumping, and even flipping. GR1 has reached a speed of 2 meters per second on a treadmill, which is equivalent to a fast human walking pace. The democratization of bipedal movement shows that the competitive edge in the humanoid robot field no longer lies in basic capabilities like moving. Even low-cost robots like Unitree H1 $3,800 can maintain balance when pushed or walk over sloped terrain. Once again, please help us reach 4,600 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you. 2. Dexterity and Skill. When Tesla first announced the Optimus humanoid robot, some robotics experts openly criticized the decision to use human-like hands. They argued that it was an amateur mistake, as simpler tools like clamps or suction cups would be cheaper, easier to produce, more reliable, and require less control software, all of which are already widely used in factories. However, this argument overlooked an important factor. Humanoid robots are not optimized for a single task like industrial robots. They need to be capable of performing nearly everything that humans can do. Therefore, the requirement for the robot's hands is to be flexible enough to grip a metal pipe, while also being delicate enough to lift an egg without breaking it, presenting opposing challenges of force, precision, and control. Previously, these tasks often required complex control algorithms and manual programming, something experts wanted to avoid. However, they underestimated the potential of modern AI. Thanks to neural networks trained through simulations, tasks that once required sophisticated programming techniques can now be solved automatically. For example, Optimus can perform actions such as picking up a water bottle, typing on a keyboard, or folding clothes, tasks that once required specialized robots and complex software. In recent demos, Optimus demonstrated the ability to self-adjust grip force using AI when handling objects with varying weights and fragility, a challenge that older robot systems struggled with. Mechanically, the issue used to be that finger actuators were too large to fit inside the robot's hands, forcing designs to place them in the arms and use tendons to transmit movement, which introduced reliability risks due to tendon stretching. But recent technological advances have miniaturized and increased the efficiency of actuators, especially thanks to Tesla's tiny brushless motor technology, and AI now allows the robot to self-correct to compensate for tendon stretching, turning a disadvantage into an effective solution. The current version of Optimus is the second generation, with hands featuring 11 degrees of freedom, compared to just 4 in the first version. Tesla is developing a third-generation hand with 22 degrees of freedom, operated by an advanced tendon system, a significant improvement over modern robots, which typically have 5 to 10 degrees of freedom. Some competitors have quickly copied or improved upon Tesla's open design, notably the Magic Lab in China, which modeled nearly the entire hand of Optimus just 6 months after Tesla released the blueprints. Even the Figure 01 model from the startup Figure AI now boasts a hand with 19 degrees of freedom, enabling it to fold clothes and use scissors like a human, a step very close to the goal of making robots multifunctional. However, comparing who is better at this point might be misleading, as the pace of improvement is too fast. Within just 2 to 3 years, even newer startups like Sanctuary AI or Fourier Intelligence could develop highly dexterous robot hands if they truly invest. What matters now is not who has the slightly better design, but which company can scale production quickly, improve reliability, and integrate the most comprehensive AI systems. Tesla has a significant advantage because they produce actuators for both electric vehicles and robots, are strongly funded, and have a top-tier AI team. In 2024, Tesla spent over $1 billion specifically on developing the Optimus robot while optimizing their supply chain through gigafactory plants, allowing them to significantly reduce robot production costs compared to smaller startups. Nevertheless, the rapid development of competitors has led to dexterity becoming an increasingly democratized factor, no longer a unique advantage of Tesla. It's clear that the race in humanoid robotics is no longer just about mechanical engineering, but about scale, reliability, and AI, where every small step could shift the market balance. 3. Household robots. Initially, many experts predicted that household robots would take several more years to become a reality. Compared to the structured environment of factories and repetitive tasks, training robots to handle the numerous and ever-changing situations in a household was seen as a much more complex challenge. At the same time, factories were willing to pay much more for robots that work almost 24/7, whereas everyday consumers are highly price-sensitive. As a result, most believed that industrial robots would take the lead, and household robots would have to wait. However, the reality is changing faster than expected, and Tesla, with its Optimus Gen 3, is directly challenging all these old assumptions. Optimus Gen 3, Tesla's latest humanoid robot generation, is not only a leap forward in both mechanics and AI, but also a gateway to the era of household robots. Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that the ultimate goal of Tesla Bot is not limited to factories but to bring a universal housekeeper into every home. With Gen 3, that is becoming more achievable than ever. 3 key factors driving this breakthrough include the groundbreaking development of large language models, LLMs, the strategic value of data in the home environment. First, LLMs like GPT-4 have completely transformed how humans interact with robots. Now, Optimus can understand natural language instructions, ask clarifying questions, comprehend context, and turn vague desires into specific actions, a major hurdle for household robots in the past. Second, although the home environment is more complex, it is also a priceless training data mine. The everyday interactions, unexpected situations, and diverse user behaviors that Optimus Gen 3 records in the home will help Tesla build a more flexible and intelligent AI than ever before. This is the same strategy that has helped Tesla excel in autonomous vehicles, collecting real-world data at scale. Third, the network effect will play a key role. The more Tesla Bot Gen 3 units deployed in homes, the smarter the AI system will become by learning from this rich dataset, creating a continuous improvement loop. Tesla could easily subsidize Optimus through massive profits from industrial robots, aiming to rapidly dominate the household robot market. Just as they sold electric cars at lower prices to gather FSD data, this time, Tesla is willing to do the same with Optimus to gain a competitive edge in training AI for robots. The race for household robots is coming faster than anyone predicted, and Tesla Bot Gen 3 is the clearest proof of this. It's not just a machine, it's the beginning of a revolution in human-AI interaction right in people's homes. 4. Manufacturing. Mass production is the final frontier. When we first began researching this topic, we believed that Tesla's manufacturing capabilities would be the trump card in the humanoid robot race. After all, they are manufacturing experts. Tesla currently produces over 2 million vehicles annually, and is the only company in the world to have successfully implemented the GigaPress 6,000 to 9,000 ton casting technology, reducing the number of car body parts from 171 to just 2 to 3 main pieces, shortening assembly times, and cutting labor costs. Even if someone were to surpass Tesla in robot technology, they could still scale up much faster and regain the lead. This seemed reasonable, but we have begun to doubt that assumption. It should be clear. Tesla has invaluable manufacturing expertise. They've invested over $3 billion into automated manufacturing facilities, including the Tesla operating system software, which controls the supply chain and operates industrial robots. However, manufacturing robots is fundamentally different from manufacturing cars, and, in many respects, even simpler. A humanoid robot stands about 173 centimeters tall and weighs 56 kilograms, which is only 5% of the size and weight of a Tesla Model Y, approximately 1,900 kilograms. This means the production line for Optimus is much shorter, requiring less space and not needing heavy equipment such as body presses, paint shops, or crash testing rooms. For instance, an Optimus production facility could be set up in less than 5,000 square meters, compared to hundreds of thousands of square meters for an automotive factory. A Tesla car requires around 10,000 individual components, including complex systems like the electric drive system, autonomous driving system, large 4680 battery packs, and cabin air conditioning. In contrast, a humanoid robot like Optimus may only require fewer than 1,000 components, mainly consisting of servo motors, processing boards, sensors, a carbon fiber frame, and much smaller batteries, under 2 kilowatt-hours. The modularity and simplicity help shorten the learning curve in production. We appreciate your contributions and hope you'll have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Techno Creator family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.